Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to cash out money from Metamask. So first thing you're going to need to do is connect Metamask to a cryptocurrency exchange. So you can choose platform like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, or any exchange that supports a cryptocurrency. Now after you do that, you just have to create an account. If you don't already have an account, sign up and complete the necessary identity verification. Now once you're done with that, just transfer the cryptocurrency from Metamask to the exchange. So in your exchange account, go to the deposit section and select the cryptocurrency that you want to cash out. And then you just have to copy the wallet address displayed. And then once you're done copying the wallet address, open MetaMask again and select the cryptocurrency and just click send. Now paste the exchange's wallet address and confirm the transaction. And then just wait for the transfer to be completed. It can take a few minutes, so you just have to wait for that. And then now, once you're done, just sell the cryptocurrency for fiat currency. So in your exchange account, go to the trading section, sell the cryptocurrency that you transferred for fiat currency, like for example, USD or Euro. You can use any of that. And then the funds will appear in your exchange's fiat balance. And then once you see the funds in the exchange's fiat balance, go to the withdrawal section of your exchange account. Enter your bank details and the amount that you want to withdraw or you wish to withdraw. And then you just have to confirm the withdrawal depending on the bank and the exchange. It may take a few hours to several business days. So you have to take note of that. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!